Are we ready? Are we ready to read some fine woodworking, Alexandra? Look! Fine woodworking. The drawers without dovetails. Are you excited? Oh yeah. And wood grips. It elevates wood. Yeah. And pneumatic tools. Oh yeah. We should build that for you, huh? Keep your toys in. Oh yes. Let's get to a part where we can read a little bit, shall we? Oh, let's see. Oh, look at that, a drill. You like drills? Oh yeah. And a beating tool. That's a wife-approved table saw. Huh. Saw blades, Type Bond 3. Let's see here. Okay, here we go, Alexandra. Look. Fine drawers without dovetails. Look at those pulls. Aren't those pretty? Use a sacrificial fence to cut rabbits. You don't want to cut up rabbits, do you, Alexandra?